let us see. How are you today? Hello, number 6. How are you? I am good, Jason. Hello, number 7. How are you?
Hello, Mama. Hello.
Hello, who? What letter?
L. Car. What car?
Where's car? Okay, let us see. Knock the door. Where's letter C? Letter C, knock the door. Knock.
Okay.
Anybody here?
Okay.
Okay, let's get inside. And then go up. Going up. Ooh. Boop. And going down. Yay! Letter C is gone. Next. Number 10. Number 7, knock the door. Yes. Number 7, knock the door. Knock. Anybody here? Oh, Jason's here. Good morning, Jason. How are you? What letter you got? Same color, pink. 6. 7.ต่อไปที่มาเรียนว่าแยกสีบัว สีเขียวสีเหลือง สีส้ม Goodbye ขอบใจที่ติดตามชมอย่าลืม Subscribe พี่ดอขอบใจ